Hi, I'm Bradley, Vietnam. Live Better for Less began for a very personal reason. I came to Vietnam intentionally, to rebuild my life in a calmer environment. After years working in high-intensity professional roles, I developed PTSD, not the dramatic version people imagine, but the quieter kind that affects focus, sleep, and nervous system regulation. Recovery for me isn't about stopping. It's about structure. Writing has always been a coping mechanism for me. Even during my career, my employer recognized that structured writing helped me process complex environments. They formally approved me to write and publish books in my spare time. That mattered. Because writing gives me clarity. It gives me focus. It gives me purpose. Vietnam has enabled me to continue that work in a structured, sustainable way. My condition means I work best in focus blocks, short, deliberate periods of deep concentration, followed by rest. Vietnam's rhythm supports that. Slow mornings, ocean air, fewer unnecessary pressures. It allows me to build intelligently, not frantically. But this platform is not a PTSD recovery channel. Vietnam Live Better for Less exists because I want to give back. I've learned that many people are exploring digital nomad life or semi-retirement abroad, but they want more than beaches and cheap rent. They want structure. They want purpose, and they want sustainable income streams connected to their home country. Inside this ecosystem, there are now over 10 classrooms designed to help with exactly that. Escape to Vietnam Masterclass, practical planning and avoiding rookie mistakes. Slow money, designing a lifestyle where you need less to live well. AI for everyday life, using modern tools calmly and intelligently. Human first. AI prompting, turning ideas into books, content, and structured assets. AI-powered business planning, validating income ideas without gambling savings. A life examined, writing your memoir with structure. Health, aging, and living well, staying physically strong abroad. Social life and belonging, building community without chaos. And I'm currently building a classroom on how to create your own AI-supported radio show on YouTube. These classes are not about hype. They are about staying mentally active, staying financially connected to your home country, and building systems that give you freedom without instability. Vietnam for me is not retirement. It's recovery with discipline. It's rebuilding strength through calm structure. And it's sharing what works with others who want a life abroad with purpose. If you're looking for noise, this isn't it. If you're looking for intelligent, grounded living, welcome. We move steadily here, and we build well.